Hi, this is Matt and Greg from the ActiveCampaign and Postmark Developer Relations team, and we want to tell you about a recent project that we built for a hackathon at ActiveCampaign. The project we built uses AI and the Postmark Inbound Webhook to analyze incoming email messages and provide a sentiment analysis as well as a summary of the message content and some tasks that you can do to follow up.
It's pretty cool because it's using Postmark, their inbound webhooks, to send emails that are inbound to our email address into a system that runs through two different analyzers. One is Python's natural language toolkit, and that analyzes the sentiment of the email, whether positive or negative, and then also tracks it for the contact over time, their customer sentiment, if you will. And then it runs the email body itself through ChatGPT's Turbo 3.5, which is a higher speed and lower cost way to use ChatGPT to analyze. The sentiment is handled with the Python, but the content is handled with ChatGPT, which sends us a summary of the email and also some action steps for our team that can easily follow to address the situation.
And with that, we'll just hop right into the demo. So what we have here are 3 emails that we actually used ChatGPT to generate for us. These are emails from customers at a made-up amusement park called XYZ Amusement Park. So one is going to be an angry email from a upset customer. Then the next will be a neutral email sent by a customer who had a satisfactory experience but has some constructive feedback. And then the third one is an overly positive customer who had a great experience.
So Matt's going to send the email, and when you'll see on the left of the screen a new call come into our analyzer in just a moment. And when it does that, it runs it initially through the natural language toolkit and then ChatGPT. So it's processing through now. And let's take a look. So the first one comes in. We're done analyzing it. This one is the angry email, correct, Matt?
Correct.
Okay. So it processes through, and we see the given. And here is the contents of the email. The sentiment, which you'll see down here, is a negative 0.76. So -1 is the strongest negative sentiment you can have, and +1 is the strongest positive. So this is a negative 0.76, which is strong negative. And when we read the summary, this email expresses extreme anger and disappointment over a visit to XYZ Amusement Park. And then the task would be address the customer's concerns and apologize. Immediately action to rectify this issue, including ride maintenance and managing lines more effectively. So let's look at the next one. The next one is this neutral?
Yes.
Okay. Here's the neutral coming in. Okay, so it's actually leaning strong positive, but the neutral, so there's not much negative sentiment in this email. And the sender provides feedback on the recent visit to XYZ and some tasks: review the maintenance schedule, implement more efficient queue management strategies. And let's look at the positive one. Here's the contents of the email. Okay, this is neutral. You can see how strongly neutral this email is. In the summary, the sender of the email is expressing their appreciation and praise for their positive experience at XYZ. You can see how the compound is strong positive. And in the data store here, I'll refresh it and you'll see the new emails come in. So it tracks every email, tags it with a unique tag, provides the email content, the sentiment, and the summary. And the meta tag here will average out the compound average of the contact, seeing that Matt's emails over time are starting to lean positive at a 0.41 with 9 records. And obviously with more records, we'd have more accurate view of their compound average of their sentiment.
So thank you for checking this out. We're excited to start playing around with AI and Postmark, and we're excited to see what other cool projects we can come up with. And if you're out there building anything using AI and Postmark, we'd love to hear from you too. Thank you.
Have a good day.